Hey guys, welcome to the shop. Hope y'all are having an excellent day. Mine's been great. Today we're going to do a video on my new miter saw. It is the Kobalt 7 1/4 inch miter saw. So let's get into it. So, come over here. So to start off, it latches right here. That allows it to come up. You can lock it into place like that. And then this thing allows it to slide like that. So it's like that. And then to turn it over here, you just unscrew this, pull that up, and it goes all the way to 50 on each side, 50 degrees. And then it can also rotate this way. So there's a knob back here. Look at there. And I actually bought a saw, and it did not come with that, so we had to take it back and get a new one. But you just twist that, and it can rotate all the way to a 45-degree angle. Now this is the 7 1/4 inch, so it's kind of small compared to the 10-inch. But for what I'm using it for, it'll work great. The 10-inch was just a lot more expensive than this, so I went with this one. It's got little things right here, so where you can put this little clamp in, clamp it down, so you can clamp your wood down while you're using it. But I don't really use it too often. It also has one on this side. I've just got it screwed down to my workbench so it doesn't go anywhere. But let's take a look here. Let me get these ones. So it does have a laser. So you just flip the switch, and can you see the laser on there? There, and then you can adjust it. If you come over here, there's an adjustment right there and right there. So you can move it over or back. But it's pretty accurate. So yeah. So let's cut something just for the just to show you how good it cuts. There it is right there. That is a really good cut. So now we can do an angle cut. We'll do a 25-degree angle. There's your angle cut. And then we can also do one this way. We'll go with a 30. There's your angle cut. So also, it has a bag right here to catch your dust, and you can just empty that. But it plugs in the wall. It's not battery powered, but right here it comes with a Allen wrench to change your blade out. Right there. And then I will also show you the box it came in. So here is the box that it comes in. So as I said, it's a sliding single bevel 7 1/4 inch miter saw. Comes with a 3-year warranty, and I got this one from Lowe's. But it's, as I said, it's got laser. So that's the box. But it also, so whenever you're sliding it that way, as you can see, there's little grooves that locks it into each one of these. So if I want to do a we'll say 15, it locks in there without even having to adjust this. But if I want to do a 22.5 right there, well, it does lock in place, I'm sorry. A 20, you have to screw that down. You have to screw that down, and it locks it into place really good. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's got little holes to mount it. But yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And give me some video suggestions. I'm running out of ideas. I need to do some more projects and stuff. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.